In today's fast-paced world, finding innovative solutions to everyday problems can be both exhilarating and cost-effective. Imagine walking into your local dollar store and discovering that the seemingly mundane items on the shelves hold secret powers that can transform your day-to-day life. Today, we are uncovering 10 hidden uses for dollar store items that will truly blow your mind. First on our list, the humble shower curtain. Often overlooked as merely a bathroom essential, shower curtains can serve as a perfect drop cloth when painting or crafting. They protect floors and furniture with ease, saving you from permanent stains and messy cleanups. Next on our agenda is the versatile ice cube tray. Beyond freezing water, it's a fantastic tool for organizing small items. Be it office supplies like paper clips and pushpins, or earrings and rings, an ice cube tray keeps them neatly sorted and easily accessible. Moving on to the kitchen, aluminum foil proves its worth far beyond wrapping sandwiches. Place a wad of foil under your steam iron to remove built-up residue or grime, leaving the sole plate spotless and your clothes crease-free. As we journey further into the world of unassuming items, consider the potential of binder clips. More than just for keeping papers in order, binder clips can secure cables behind your desk or even serve as a phone stand. An innovative solution that costs next to nothing. Another gem is the pool noodle. It's not merely for summer fun. Slice it lengthwise and place it around sharp edges to prevent bumps and bruises, ideal for homes with young children. On the subject of safety, adhesive wall hooks can be lifesavers. Rather than just hanging coats or hats, they can secure items in your car, like ashs or umbrellas, preventing them from rolling around during a ride. Now, let's talk about silicone baking cups. Beyond their primary function, these cups work excellently as jar openers, offering a good grip on stubborn lids that resist your attempts. Who would have thought that these vibrant little cups could play such a hero? For those of you with a green thumb, hang on to your plastic cutlery. These can double as plant labels in your garden, allowing you to mark what you've planted and making gardening both organized and sustainable. Bringing us to the end of our list is the chalkboard contact paper. Line the inside of pantry doors or cabinets with it to note down grocery lists or important reminders. It's not only practical but adds a personal touch to your living space. Finally, invest $1 in a microfiber cloth. It's a dusting powerhouse, perfect for cleaning electronics and delicate surfaces without leaving scratches or residue behind. And there you have it, 10 ingenious uses for dollar store items that not only save you money, but inspire creativity in tackling everyday challenges. Who knew that such simple items could unlock so much potential? The next time you find yourself at a dollar store, look beyond the obvious, and perhaps you'll discover even more secret uses that will enhance your life in unexpected ways. Thank you for joining us on this exploration, and remember, innovation is often right at our fingertips, waiting to be uncovered.